Mr. Lovable, I wanna tell you so. I write you this song, and I hope you understand. I am fancying heavy ending. You'll be my prince, and I'm your princess charming. But I'm a stupid girl, I'm all alone, and I'm afraid to fall. This is a big world, and I don't wanna let you go. So here I go, oh, Mr. Lovable.